Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here, and today I have a special little unboxing. In amongst all my packing to move, I won my very first Instagram prize. This is from the Fave Things Collective. I'll put all their details down below. And if you've been following my channel, you know that I use a Stalogy B6 for all my journaling purposes. Now, I have heard of, I undid this just so that I didn't have to tear it open and make all that noise, but I haven't actually undone the parcel yet. I've been using the Stalogy because it's quite affordable here in Australia, and even though the paper is not as good as a Hobonichi, for the price, it's exceptional value. Now, I had heard of Wonderland 222, and it was definitely something that was on my radar to try one day. And the Fave Things Collective, of course, are now a supplier for this gorgeousness, and I won a twin pack. So let's have a look. This is the first time I've actually seen one of these, so I'll let you know what I think. I've got a little packet of goodies here, even though this was a prize. I don't really know why I had to receive that as well, but what a lovely little bonus, including a gorgeous little piece of clear quartz. Oh, how very cute. Thank you very much. Now, the first thing I won was this A5 2023 planner. So let's have a look at this. Now, the reason why this company has been on my radar, but I haven't done anything about it yet, is because they use Tomoe River paper. And that is the one thing that, of course, the Stalogy doesn't offer. But it is a fabulous book, and I certainly don't dislike my Stalogy for my memory keeping. Now, this is actually, I believe, a very dark blue, even though I'm pretty sure on camera it will come up as black. It is a very dark blue. It looks very similar to a Stalogy. It's the same principle. But as I said, it's Tomoe River paper. So let's have a look. What does this look like? We have a beautiful blank white page to start, which could definitely do with a little bit of a mood board or a vision board, I think. Oh, yes. See, Tomoe River paper, it's hard to beat. We have a key page. I think a lot of people that would use this sort of planner may like doing bullet journal style, maybe. But I don't know if I would. There's an index page. Oh, there's more index pages. We have a calendar, 4 years worth, 22, 23, 24 and 25, if you really want to look ahead into the future. There is a yearly layout, okay, so that runs from January through to December. And of course, because this is an A5, there's actually enough room to write something in there, and then some lovely blank space. Well, it's gridded, but you can, of course, put in there whatever you like. Now, how does this work? Oh, okay, so we have the first quarter. So January through to March, we've got a decent sized box we can decorate and or write in those. We also then have space for notes for the first quarter. Right, then the second quarter, the third, and the fourth. Surprise, surprise. Oh, we have a notes page. Then we have a routine track. Oh, a tracker. Oh my gosh, one for every month. Oh, now this is a bit clever. I like this. Okay, so we have trackers for the entire year, one for each month, and of course, again, some space to add your own things. Oh, this is very nice. We have more notes pages. Then we have a December overview. Now, there is some slightly darker lines on the grid and a little bit of highlighting. So you can, of course, design this to whatever you like. Then we have a full month spread. Now see, these are great size boxes. You can really put things in that. And it's a Monday start. I love that. I can't stand Sunday starts. We have some holidays in here. I presume these are American because this comes from the US of A. But our Christmas Day and New Year's Day, of course, are the same. Now, so we actually start very late November because obviously December cuts in on a Thursday. So you can actually, or I could already start using this in December. So this is your basic weekly spread. It's vertical. There is times very lightly there, 7, 8, so hourly from 7 a.m. down until 9 p.m. Then the weekend is shaded. No times on that. That doesn't worry me. That's fine. I don't even know if I would use those times, but that's okay. And nice, that's a nice generous space for each day. And of course, then we continue on and we go right through, I presume, until the 31st of the, oh my gosh, look at this. I haven't even noticed this. Oh, hang on, wait a minute. Oh yes, no. So next year, the year finishes on a Sunday. How fabulous is that? So on Monday will be the 1st. Oh, that's exciting. What a great way. Fresh week, fresh planner. Love it. Then we have a December review area. Again, there is some shaded boxes, but look, you could plan that out however you like. Oh my gosh. And then we have we have daily pages as well. Oh dear. This is a little bit exciting. And these have no dates, no nothing on it. So let's have a look. How many of these do you get? Where do these daily pages start? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it starts at page 200 and runs through until page 288. So you get 88 basically daily blank pages that you can do with whatever you like. Oh my gosh. They fit an awful lot into one relatively slim A5 planner. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to seriously rethink my planner plans for the new year. This is very awesome. I've never had one this size. I've done A5 before in the ring bound, but oh dear. Oh dear. This, yes, I think we're going to have to do a rethink. We're also going to have to find a really stunning cover to keep all these in. I've already had a bit of a search, haven't found something that I love yet, but I'm working on that. Then, of course, part 2 of this glorious prize is the notebook. So this, of course, is the matching pair. Again, dark blue, very dark blue, even though it looks black. Or is it black? I'm pretty sure it was meant to be dark blue. So this is the notebook. What does this entail? Let's have a look. I presume we have a lovely blank white. Again, yes. Then we flip over and we have a key page again. We have an index. And then we just have from page 1 through until 365. Perfect. So that is an entire year. So there is a little bit of a darker line there, and there is also 1 through to 24, which I presume is the hours of the day, but we couldn't just ignore that. Now, I think I may have to seriously consider moving, instead of getting another B6 Stalogy for my daily memory keeping and all that other stuff I do, I might have to consider using this. Now, it is a lot more real estate than a B6, but this is Tomoe River paper, which means it's going to cope with paint better. The Stalogy does sort of cope, but I noticed I've done some heavy-duty mixed media in my Stalogy for Halloween, and it has not coped at all. This I know will do better. Oh my gosh, this is fabulous. So yes, we might have to rethink our memory keeping plans, and we might just have to use this gorgeous baby, I think. So there we go. I do love them. I love that it's Tomoe Tomoe River paper. I love the fact that everything that is printed on the page is quite light. I can easily cover and or even ignore that. Like, that doesn't worry me that that's there. There's washi tape, there's collaging, all sorts of fun things I can do in here to cover that if I don't want to see it. And there's 365 glorious pages. Oh, wow. So there we go. I am so happy with these. As I said, we're going to rethink some plans, and we're going to find a gorgeous cover to keep these in. There was one I found and it said it would go for a maximum of 2 inches. Well, this is only probably about 1 inch with both of them there. Oh my gosh, that is fabulous. Well, there we are, guys. It's a quick video. I will be back to crafting soon once I've got this packing under control. But I hope you enjoyed that. If you've ever thought of using one of these, honestly, it's Tomoe River paper. What I love is that it's so clean in comparison to the Hobonichi, which I do love, and their quality is superb. But have a look. There's no sayings. There's no nothing on it. There's no quotes. There's it's just simple and very clean looking. I do love this very much. Oh dear, definitely. Just a nice clean slate to play with. There we go. Just a run through of this gorgeous thing. I'll put the Fave Collective details down below if you'd like to order these. I think they're currently on a pre-order. They are due to be shipped in October, which of course is almost over. And honestly, I think for the price, they are incredibly good value. So thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy. Until next time, bye for now.